Hello everyone. In this week of Solidworks workshop, we'll learn the mold design toolbox. In this week's tutorials, we will learn the use of draft analysis toolbox tool, undercut analysis tool, parting analysis tool. Then we will also learn some of the tools that we already have covered in previous sections, but in terms of use in shut-off surfaces and shut-off surface boundaries. Okay, so let's first talk about mold design. Mold designs, or particularly molds, are used to create products. It can be a final product or can be a prototype product. There are different important components to it. Like as you can see on the left image here, it is the mold. Then we have the flask that contains the mold information. Then the runner through which the molten metal plastic will go inside the main design if needed, the core portion, the parting line, and this downspar. Okay, these designs can be from simple to the as complex as possible. Usually, for prototyping, people use sand boxes, and for complex ones, people design the complex module where it has options for cooling and easy extraction of the things. One example can be these images where it is a complicated part design. The cavities and the molds are designed, which also had this linings to eject the parts and also some cooling overhead to water cool them. Okay, Tesla has patented for filed a patent for a huge casting machine for their Model Y. And this is how it looks like. So you can do a lot of things using castings. Okay. Before we start working with the SolidWorks, there are a few things that needs to be addressed. One of the important things is the draft angle. A draft angle is just a slant that is applied to each side of most features or on the object that you're creating in an injection molding part. The, the angle which is positioned to run towards the direction of a mold's spool and parting line helps with releasing the part from the mold. It helps mostly for easier ejection from the mold. May seem a minor concern, so but if it is an crucial part, think of it from this angle. Is sometimes if let's say the mold is a permanent one, it will be hard to remove it from there. But if we have a draft angle, it is much easier to move it from the set from this whole setup. Okay, the next thing is the parting line. It is important to know where the parting line exists. That way, designing the product becomes much easier. Okay, so in SolidWorks, to activate the mold tool, what you need to do is right click on it, go into the tabs, and select this mold tools. Also, while working on mold tools, you're advised to activate one more thing. Just go into the options. From there, go into this feature manager. You will see this thing called surface bodies. Select it and change the option from automatic to show and click OK. You will generally, when working on the mold design, we will see few surfaces that are being created. and those will be important for our design inspector. So that's the reason we are activating it and seeing it on the tree manager here.